Hey guys, welcome back after a long break. This time we are going to learn the most easiest way to multiply any two-digit number by 11. So let's take the first example, that is 27 multiplied by 11. Write 27 like this: 2 on the left and 7 on the right, leaving a space in between. Now add 2 and 7 in your mind. It's 9. Now, writing 9 in the center, 297 is the final answer we get. Okay? Let's take another example, that is 53 multiplied by 11. Write 53 like this: 5 and 3, leaving a number space in between. Now add 5 and 3, which is 8. So 583 is our final answer. Understand? If not yet, let's take one more example, that is 70 multiplied by 11. Again, write 70 like this. Now, by adding 7 and 0, we get 7. So 770 is our answer. Easy, nah? Now, moving on to the last example, that is 99 multiplied by 11. Write 99 like this. Now, by adding 9 and 9, we get 18. Write 1 and 8 of 18 like this. Now add one more step. Add 1 and 9 to get the final answer. That is 1089, and it's done. Now tell me, what will we get when we multiply 85 multiplied by 11? Write the answer in the comments.